Lori Green, over the last few years, you've done so many things on your channel that you've taught your students how to do. But there's one thing that you haven't done, and I truly feel like it's a disservice to them, and that is to take a page from a coloring book and make it look like it's glowing in the dark. So I'm going to show you a few examples here and here, okay? And I want you to teach your students how to do this. That is my challenge to you. And don't think for 1 second that just because I'm sitting this one out, that I'm not going to bring it on July 4th. And you already know the rules, Lori, for our crafting challenge. You have to craft something on video. You have to use glitter, and it has to be an original video that you edit, that you don't pay somebody on Fiverr to do for you. Got it? So bring it, Lori, because I'll be waiting.
Hi guys, you heard her. Yep, that's Barbie again. Me and Barbie are friends, okay? Don't attack her. We like to challenge each other. Actually, she would challenge me to anything. If we were riding bikes, she would have to ride like 10 feet in front of me just to beat me to like a stop sign. So she's issued a challenge to me, and I accept her challenge. And let's see how I do. Now, I'm going to do this picture with graphite. Oh, that's why she was doing graphite. That's why she was teaching us graphite and neon color. So I've already done the tutorial part. This is a relaxation demo, and I will come back and talk about it later, what I've done. The pencils that I'm choosing to use, well, will be the neon orange, and I'll probably use neon orange, and possibly, I think maybe some Spanish yellow. We'll see when we get to that point. The pencils that I will be using, the turquoise pencils, and they're by Prismacolor, and they're their line of graphite pencils and my favorite sketching pencils to use. And I'm going to be using 4H, 6H, HB, Ebony, White, Prisma, 2B, and this should be 4B. I've got a blending stump, and I'll probably be using some Q-tips because these get dirty really quick, and I really like the Q-tips also. I will be using my Color It pencil sharpener because it makes a really, really good tip. It's like needle sharp. And the book that I will be working at, I am trying another Mysteria. I've done 2 pictures. I have not liked the paper. I am hoping now that I'm changing over to graphite in this book that the graphite will work. If it doesn't, well, this book goes into the never to be seen again pile. If it works, it goes onto my favorite shelf. So we'll see. And let's get started. I'm finished. I put a gloss finish on it, and I had a lot of fun doing this. The paper is excellent. I got layer on layer. I can't even count how many layers of graphite I was able to get on it. And at the very end, I was able to get a little bit of wax, the neon color, onto it, which was exactly what Barbie wanted me to do. But I had a lot of fun. You could tell that let me see if I can get the light to shine on it. It's got a very high gloss finish. I have to move my camera because this will not, maybe I can move the picture. You could see the high gloss on it. Now, what I love about neon is now that I've got the neon on here, I could flip off my light. And if I have a black light in the room, it fluoresces. So that was a lot of fun. I just got my 10,000th subscriber. I can't believe it. 10,000 subscribers in 2 years. That's amazing to me. And I want to thank everybody that has brought me to this. I'm having a ball. I love you guys. Everybody that writes to me in private. I just absolutely love you all. You're so much fun. I will continue to teach you as long as you want to learn. So I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.